Hi students, welcome to today's session. In my previous session, I have discussed about the nucleophilic substitution reaction shown by alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Today, I am going to discuss about elimination reactions shown by haloalkanes or alkyl halides. Means by elimination reaction we can prepare alkene from haloalkanes or alkyl halides. So when haloalkanes or alkyl halides are heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, they undergo the elimination of hydrogen halide. So when haloalkane or alkyl halide is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, hydrogen halide group is removed. So a new bond is formed. For that the product is alkene. So when hydrogen halide is removed, alkene is formed along with the formation of potassium halide and water. So such type of reactions involve the removal of a hydrogen atom and a halogen atom from haloalkanes. Okay. So for that, these type of reactions are also called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. Dehydrohalogenation reaction, as it involves removal of hydrogen and halogen atom. So that's why it is called dehydrohalogenation reaction. So the hydrogen atom removed in such case or in such reaction is a beta hydrogen. Hydrogen atom is a beta hydrogen. So what is beta hydrogen? Now the hydrogen atom attached at beta position, that is called beta hydrogen. That is the carbon next to that carbon. So beta carbon is that carbon which is present next to the carbon which carries the halogen atom. So for that, such reaction also known as beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction. Why? Because in this elimination reaction, beta hydrogen is removed. The hydrogen which is present at beta position, that is removed. So for that, this reaction is also called as beta elimination reaction. Okay. So now I will discuss the example. So you see the example here. Now chloroethane. So here alpha carbon and beta carbon both are present. Alpha carbon is that carbon to which the halogen atom is attached, and next to the alpha carbon, beta carbon is present. And the hydrogen atom attached to the beta carbon, that is called beta hydrogen. So here now chlorine from alpha carbon and hydrogen from beta carbon, that is removed in the form of hydrogen halide. So as the group is removed, so a new bond is formed between alpha carbon and beta carbon. So the product is ethene along with the formation of potassium chloride and water. So when chloroethane is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, hydrogen chloride is removed and the product is ethene along with the formation of potassium chloride and water. So come to the next example, that is 1-bromopropane. You see the alpha carbon to which the bromine is attached. Next to the alpha carbon, beta carbon is present, and the hydrogen atom attached to beta carbon, that is called beta hydrogen. So when 1-bromopropane is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, hydrogen bromide is removed and a new bond is formed between alpha carbon and beta carbon. So for that, propane is formed along with potassium bromide and water. So another example we will discuss, 1-bromobutane. You see 1-bromobutane. Now here alpha carbon to which bromine is attached, and next to alpha carbon beta carbon is present, and the hydrogen atom attached to beta carbon, that is beta hydrogen. So when 1-bromobutane is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, hydrogen bromide is removed and a new bond is formed between alpha carbon and beta carbon. So for that the product is but-1-ene or butane along with the formation of potassium bromide and water. So this is about the dehydrohalogenation reaction. As hydrogen and halogen both the atoms are removed, so for that it is called dehydrohalogenation reaction. And again, as the hydrogen atom is removed from beta position, so for that it is also called as beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction. But when the structure of alkyl halide is such that it permits the formation of two alkenes, means in the structure we will get two beta carbon. So in that case, two different type of alkenes are formed, and in between two alkenes, the major product is the more substituted alkene. More substituted alkene is the major product, that is given by Sedgwick rule. So what is Sedgwick rule? Now when a haloalkane undergo dehydrohalogenation in two different ways to form two different alkenes. When haloalkane undergo dehydrohalogenation in two different ways to form two different alkenes, the alkene that predominates, means the alkene which is the major product, that is the most substituted one. So most substituted alkene is the major product and less substituted alkene is the minor product. So what is the meaning of most substituted alkene? That is the one which carries a greater number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. So to carbon-carbon double bond, if more number of alkyl groups will be attached, that is considered as more substituted alkene. And in this case, more substituted alkene is the major product. For example, 2-chlorobutane heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So here we will get two products. One is but-2-ene, another is but-1-ene, means butane. But-2-ene is the major product and butene is the minor product. So why but-2-ene is the major product? Because it is more substituted in comparison to butane. But-2-ene is more substituted in comparison to butane. So that we can see by this reaction. So here now 2-chlorobutane is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. 2-chlorobutane is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. So you see in 2-chlorobutane, now the carbon with which the chlorine is attached, that is alpha carbon, and on both the side of alpha carbon now beta carbon are possible. So for that we are getting two products. Two products are possible from this reaction. So when from left side beta carbon hydrogen is removed, at that case the product is but-2-ene. When from left side beta carbon hydrogen is removed, that time but-2-ene is formed. And when from right side beta carbon hydrogen is removed, that time butene is formed, or butene is the product. So you see here it is mentioned. So one product is but-2-ene, which is the major product. Why? Because this is the substituted alkene, more substituted alkene, and but-1-ene or butene, that is the minor product. Why? Because it is a less substituted alkene. So as here two beta carbons are available, means beta hydrogens are available on both the side of the alpha carbon. So So here for that reason we are getting two products. One is but2ne, another is butene. And but2ne is the major product because it is more substituted alkene. So according to this, we will discuss about tertiary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane and primary haloalkane. So the S of dehydrohalogenation of different type of haloalkanes follows the order, that is tertiary haloalkane forms the alkene at a faster rate in comparison to secondary, and secondary forms at a more rate, or secondary haloalkane produces alkene more quickly in comparison to primary haloalkane. So this concept also we can discuss according to Sirjeff rule. So according to Sirjeff rule, during dehydrohalogenation, the alkene with a greater number of alkyl groups at doubly bonded carbon atom is the preferred product, means it is the major product. So it means more substituted alkene is more stable and is formed faster. Therefore, the alkyl halide or haloalkane which gives a more stable alkene must undergo dehydrohalogenation faster as compared to one which gives a less stable alkene. So which haloalkane is forming more stable alkene, that haloalkane will undergo dehydrohalogenation reaction at a faster rate in comparison to the haloalkane which forms a less stable alkene. So now we can discuss this concept with the help of this example. So you now see here bromoethane, which is a primary alkyl halide or primary haloalkane. So here now after the removal of hydrogen bromide, ethene is produced. Ethene is produced, and this is an unsubstituted alkene. Unsubstituted, for that it is least stable and least easily formed. Okay, next come to 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. So 2-bromopropane, you see here, when it is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, propene is produced. Propene is produced because here the alpha carbon to which the bromine is attached, that is the alpha carbon, and on both the side of the alpha carbon beta carbon is possible. Beta carbons are there, and from any side if the hydrogen atom will be removed, the product will be same, that is propene, and it is a monosubstituted alkene and it is more stable in comparison to ethene. So for that more easily formed. Okay, so this is about secondary alkyl halide or secondary haloalkane. If we think about tertiary haloalkane, so tertiary haloalkane, that is 2-bromo-2-methyl-propane. You see, 2-bromo-2-methyl-propane, that is a tertiary alkyl halide, 2-bromo-2-methyl-propane. So when it is reacting with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, hydrogen bromide is removed. Okay, and for that 2-methyl-propene is produced. 2-methyl-propene is produced, which is a di-substituted alkene, and it is more stable than propene. As it is di-substituted, so it is more stable. So as it is more stable, so it most easily formed. It is formed most easily. So from this it is clear that the S of dehydrohalogenation of different haloalkanes follows the order, means tertiary haloalkane forms the alkene at a faster rate in comparison to secondary, and secondary haloalkane forms the alkene at a faster rate in comparison to primary haloalkane or primary alkyl halide. So for that you see here 2-bromo-2-methyl-propane, that is producing the alkene at a faster rate in comparison to 2-bromopropane, and 2-bromopropane is producing alkene at a faster rate in comparison to bromoethane. So here 2-bromo-2-methyl propane is a tertiary alkyl halide, 2-bromopropane secondary alkyl halide, and bromoethane that is primary alkyl halide. So from this it is clear that tertiary alkyl halide is showing the reaction or undergoing the elimination reaction faster at a faster rate in comparison to secondary alkyl halide, and secondary alkyl halide also undergoes elimination reaction at a faster rate in comparison to primary alkyl halide. So this is all about the elimination reaction shown by alkyl halides. So when alkyl halides undergoes elimination reaction, alkenes are formed. But in case of particular alkyl halide where 2 beta carbons possible, so in that case we will get 2 products, and from that 2 products the major product is the more substituted alkene. More substituted alkene is the major product and another one is the minor product. So this is about the elimination reaction shown by alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Thank you all.